The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for East Central Denton County in north central Texas, Western Collin County in north central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Corinth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake Louisville, Providence Village, Fairview, McKinney, Crossroads, Hickory Creek, Little Elm, Lincoln Park, Prosper, Corinth, Lake Dallas, Parker, Oak Point, Frisco, Allen, The Colony, Hackberry, Shady Shores, Lakewood Village, and Copper Canyon. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 455 and 462. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.